Nasa linyang muli. Naku, ito'y suki talaga natin. A very good public servant, ladies and gentlemen. Walang iba kundi si ASEC RJ Echeverry ng Department of Interior and Local Government. Magandang umaga po, ASEC RJ Echeverry. Muli, sir.
Magandang umaga at mabuhay po kayo lahat.
Apo. Sir, mabilisan lamang, yung 5 mayor na absent during Typhoon Ompong, ano rong parusa ang ipapataw dito, ASEC?
We plan to file a dereliction of duty for not having to be or to be present during the typhoon incident, sir.
Oo. Sana maging president na ito, sir, para hindi nagayahin pa Marina kasi parang old practice na kahit bagyo sila mayor pag nasa Hong Kong, nasa Japan, hindi uuwi dahil sayang naman daw, paalis pa lamang, hindi na ma-cancel dahil nabili na raw ang ticket. Marami ako naririnig na gano'n in the past. So, parang this is the first time na kikilos talaga ang DILG para madisiplina ang mga politiko natin, ASEC.
Actually, if I'm not mistaken, it's actually in the law na eh. Sa batas na yun, nakapagwala yung responsible officer during calamity, may liability yan. Kahit hindi na natin gamitin yung batas. We took an oath to the Constitution. Kasama doon that you have to do all your obligations. Kasama yung sa obligasyon mo.
Alright. So, hindi na pwede magpalusot dito, sir. I mean, na kesyo nakabili na ng ticket, so kailangan unahin yung constituent. Tama?
Tama po. You have to return to the office, or you have to return to your city kasi yung mga responders naghihintay rin ng direksyon as responsible officer.
Ayun, oo. Hindi pwedeng i-delegate sa mga vice mayor o city administrator o municipal administrator. ASEC?
Under the law kasi ang responsible officer considered sa incidental command system are the local chief executive. Chief executive
talaga. Sir, panghuli na lamang, ito po ay nakarating sa akin. I don't know kung nakarating na rin sa radar ni Secretary Anyo na yung STL daw, Small Town Lottery sa Southern Metro Manila, which is Makati, Parañaque, Pasay, Las Piñas, yung STL tumigil na dahil expire na yung contract, hindi na ni-renew ng STL operator. So pumalit na raw po ngayon weteng. Unfortunately, what am I receiving is that mga police general ang nasa likod ng papaweteng daw sa Southern Metro Manila. Ito po ba ay sinisilip? Kasi kanina kausap ko rin yung tiga-PCS, so mukhang may coordination na raw si General Balutan kay General Anyo regarding this matter, ASEC.
Actually, I mentioned that before. If you would remember when I was interviewed, you mentioned that to me before.
Opo.
Nabanggit ko na rin sa kanya yan. And I have to verify that again. But,
ayun.
I will follow it up again.
All right. ASEC RJ Echeverry, sir, good morning and thank you for your time again. Thank you.
Again, thank you.
Thank you po.